Today, we're talking about a piece of technology that is, well, pretty much everywhere. But a lot of the time, it goes completely unnoticed. We are going to pull back the curtain on the secret role artificial intelligence plays in, you guessed it, almost every single part of your day.
Okay, so let me just ask you this straight up. How many times did you use AI today? Come on, just take a quick guess. 5 times? Maybe 10? 20 if you're a real tech head?
You know, whatever number just popped into your head, I am willing to bet the real answer is much, much higher. We're going to walk through a totally normal day, and I'll point out all those little moments where AI is just humming along in the background, making things a little smoother, a little safer, and way more personalized for you. So when we hear the term AI, our minds kind of jump to sci-fi movies, right? Sentient robots, computers taking over the world. But the reality of AI in our lives right now is, well, it's way more practical. It's less of a talking robot and a whole lot more like an invisible engine just working away behind the scenes. Okay, so let's get a really clear definition on the table. In simple terms, AI just refers to systems that can learn from data to do specific tasks. And the key here is what those tasks are. Things like recognizing patterns, making predictions, and understanding what we say. It's really just a tool designed to solve very specific problems very, very efficiently. All right, you with me? Let's start our day. That alarm clock just went off. And you might not realize it, but yep, you are already interacting with AI. Welcome to your AI-powered morning. I mean, think about it. If you've used a smart speaker or your phone's voice assistant to set that alarm, well, that was your first AI interaction. It uses some pretty complex language processing just to figure out what you said. And when it tells you the weather or your first appointment, that's AI pulling the right data and spitting it back out to you clearly. So next, you probably grab your phone to see what's going on in the world. Well, those stories you see right at the top of your news app or your social feed, they are not there by chance. Not at all. An AI algorithm has been learning from everything you read, what you click on, how long you linger on it, to build a feed it predicts you'll find the most interesting. Time to head out. And wow, this really shows the practical power of AI. It wasn't that long ago that your commute went grabbing a paper map, picking a route, and just hoping for the best. Today, that navigation app on your phone is a full-blown AI-powered prediction machine. It's analyzing real-time traffic data from thousands of other people to find the absolute fastest route, and it'll reroute you in a heartbeat to dodge a surprise traffic jam. So, we've made it into the office, and the AI is punching the clock right along with us. See, it isn't just a part of your personal life. It's become an absolutely essential tool in the modern workplace. I want you to think about your email inbox for just a second. It probably feels pretty full as it is, right? But here's a wild thought for you. The vast majority of emails that are actually sent to your address, they never even reach you. Why? Because there's an AI standing guard, working as your silent protector. And just how effective is this digital bodyguard? It's kind of mind-blowing. Modern AI spam filters are so good, they block over 99.9% of junk mail. In a split second, they analyze tons of signals, from the sender's address to the words in the message, all to keep your inbox clean and, more importantly, safe. It's one of AI's biggest and quietest success stories. And that exact same superpower, that pattern recognition skill, is also protecting your money. Your bank uses AI to learn your typical spending habits, where you shop, how much you usually spend. So if a charge suddenly pops up from halfway across the world, the AI instantly flags it as something weird and can trigger a fraud alert in seconds, stopping a crime before you'd even notice. The workday is finally over. Phew, but AI's shift, that continues. In fact, now it's shaping how we all relax, unwind, and entertain ourselves. So how do you pick a new show to binge watch? I mean, sure, friend recommendations and ads play a part, but the dominant force here, by a long shot, is the algorithm. Look at this. A whopping 65% of the time, we discover new shows because a streaming service's AI recommended them. It's analyzed everything you've ever watched to predict what you'll fall in love with next. And it's the exact same story on your social media apps. That feed you're scrolling through, it is not chronological. It's a hyper-personalized stream of content delivered by an AI. Its one and only goal is to learn exactly what's going to make you pause, what will make you laugh, what will make you share, making sure your experience is uniquely yours. And hey, if you're doing a little online shopping,
AI is basically your personal shopper. You know those you might also like or frequently bought together sections? That's all powered by AI that analyzes the buying patterns of millions of people to make suggestions for you that are, well, sometimes eerily accurate. So, as our day draws to a close, let's just pull back for a moment and look at the bigger picture that's emerged from all these little individual moments. Here's the key takeaway. From the smart assistant that woke you up, to the newsfeed you scrolled through, the navigation app that guided your commute, the spam filter that protected your inbox, the fraud detection that guarded your wallet, and all the streaming, social, and shopping recommendations, AI was a constant and honestly pretty helpful companion. And this is really the main point of our journey today. Artificial intelligence has officially graduated. It's no longer a futuristic concept from the movies. It is a practical, everyday utility. It's become a foundational technology, kind of like electricity or the internet, that just makes modern life work the way it does.
So there is absolutely no doubt that AI makes our lives more convenient, more efficient, and that brings us to one final, thought-provoking question for you. We've seen all the amazing things it already does. As this invisible engine gets even more powerful, what is the one thing you hope it never does? Something to think about.